Hello everyone, this is Sakit here. Today I'm going to demonstrate about SAP Cloud Platform Integration for data services plugin usage, how to use it in brief. So this helps us in efficiently extracting, transforming as well as loading the data between on-premise environment and cloud environment. So for demonstration purpose, I have designed a task that helps us to understand the process, how it is going to perform the same. So there are few key components that we need to look into. First thing is we need to have a project, and for this demonstration I have used this project named test proj saket for an example, and I have defined a task under it which is test task saket. So in order to perform this operation we need to have an agent running, and agent configuration can be done here, and this is the agent that I'm going to use it for this example. This is the application of SAP CPI for data services plugin, and the expectation is to copy a or in order to create a new file using the existing source file. I'm just going to edit the same in order to showcase it. Here we need to navigate to edit, and then we can try to see this. Just a moment. Details, connections. We have data flow, action, edit. So as you can see, this is the flowchart that I have designed. We have a source file format where we have done the transformation, and we have introduced a target query as well. And this is the target file format. This is the expected outcome. So let's run the same through our plugin that I have developed and see how the outcome looks. For that we are going to use Uno, HCL Uno. Let's navigate to this section where I have to select a task template using the plugin. I have deployed the plugin already for understanding purposes, and this is the plugin. We need to select that, click on next. Now we have three sections here. One is general tab, second is connection tab, and third is action tab. We need to provide the task details here. Along with that we have to mention the workstation name as well. Let's name it as SAP CPI-DS 2306. Let me select the workstation. General section is completed. Let's jump into connection tab. In connection tab there are three mandatory fields that we have to provide. One is organization name, second is username, and third is password. And we also have some field named is production. If it is a production environment we need to select it, if not we have to deselect it. I have a trial environment in my local, so I'm not going to select the same. Let me give these details quickly. This is to perform the test connection. That means we need to establish the connection with the application. So after providing the details, I have performed the test connection operation. As you can see, the connection is successfully established. Next step is to provide the action details. Here we have three fields. Not only three, there are multiple fields, but three fields are needed to perform the operation. We need to provide the agent name that we have used in the previous application. So there is a format to be followed. We need to mention the group name, space, three colons, space, and the agent name. So let me select that here. And as you can see, it's using our application, and then it is trying to fetch the combination of agent group name as well as agent name. As I have explained before, I'm going to use the new agent here. Selected it. Next step is we can also perform this selection only for active agents. Instead of finding out all the agents that are existing, we can also select the active agents. If we toggle this and when we perform select, we will be able to get those details only. Since I've already selected that, I'll proceed with the next step. Second step is to select the project name where the task is present. And as I explained, test proj saket is the project name here. Third step is to select the task name which I am going to run. I have selected the same. We can also mention the task description, task profile name, and also can provide the global variables which can be used to run the job. If you want complete information about the task, we can also select the task log details. For now, I'm not going to select that. And then, yes, we have completed providing the details. Now let's add the job, task I mean. And then next step is to run this task. We can give some name. Let me give SAP CPI-DS 2306. I have executed the job. Let's navigate to this section to see the current status of the job. I have run multiple jobs previously, and as you can see, the current job is in the running state. And yes, we got the result. It is successfully executed. Let me open the task log. This is the task log that we have obtained. We have provided few details from the job, and this is the result section where we can see the detailed information of each and every step that the task has gone through. If you want to focus on output properties, as you can see, the run ID that we have obtained as the result of this job is 108, and the job execution result is successful, along with the agent name, project name, the task name. This information will be helpful to understand or identify the job details through the application. That's it for this video. Thank you.